Hello friends, good afternoon to all of you. This is Kamal sir. I welcome you back to Wisdom Tales by Kamal sir. Under the category Daily Tales from my side, I am going to deliver today's tale. I hope you will certainly like this one also. Once there was a sage. He used to recite his pet dialogue, and the dialogue was none but there is no one of anyone wherever he went. One day he was passing through a village and he was begging at that very time. He was begging from door to door. He reached the door of the rich man. The rich man of the village was very busy in maintaining his accounts. So he gave a 10 rupee note to the sage. On receiving the note, the sage again said, "There is no one of anyone." This surprised the rich man. He thought that the sage was not satisfied with the alms. That's why he said like this. He ordered his servant to bring some meals for the sage. After eating the meals, the sage was again with the same line, "There is no one of anyone." Now, this thing startled the rich man. He was astonished. Why did he say that? First, O sage, I offered you 10 rupee note. After that, I gave you good meals so that you could be satisfied. But even then, you are saying that there is no one of anyone? Why did you say that? The sage replied humbly. He said, "O man, it is the truth. The relatives whom you consider that those are yours, actually, they are not yours. I can prove my point, but you have to follow to my advice." The sage agreed. The whole drama was prepared, and the very next moment the sage got tired. He was lying on the ground. Sorry, the rich man got died. He was lying on the ground. Meanwhile, all the members of the family had been called, and the sage that said that I had the magical powers, and with the help of magical powers, I can give the life back to the dead person. But you have to follow to my advice. Then all the members agreed, they said yes. We would follow your advice. Then Sage asked for some cow's urine. When the cow urine was there, he recited some mantras on it, and he said that whosoever will drink this urine, he will die, and this person who was lying on the ground, he will wake up instead. So each and every member had been called, but nobody was ready to drink that urine. Finally, it was the turn of the rich man's wife. She said that it was all right that I can drink, but what's the use? What's the use of drinking that urine if I will not live in the world? So it's a mere fun. So I'm not going to drink that very urine if I will not enjoy my life. On hearing this, the man who was lying on the ground, he quickly woke up. Now he came to know the reality that was there in the dialogue. There is no one of anyone. Now he said to the sage, "O sage, you were right. By saying this dialogue, you again and again, you were right. Actually, I was forgotten. Actually, I didn't know about the truth." Now he came to know that all the worldly relations are fake, shams, spurious, and bogus. They're not real. They're not actual. They're not everlasting. They are actually ephemeral, lasting for the short time. After that, the rich man decided to go with the siege in order to get the enlightenment in the name of the Almighty God. Moral of the story is we have to get it with the worldly relations, and we should attach ourselves to the relations with the God. We should get rid of with the worldly relations, and we should get attached with the relations of the God. To sum up, I am going to recite some of the Gurbani lines in this context, and I hope you will certainly like these lines. So the lines are: Pritam jaan leho manmahi, Pritam jaan leho manmahi, अपने ही सुख स्यों सब फांदे हो, अपने ही सुख सो सब फांदे हो, को काहू को नाही। अपने ही सुख सो सब फांदे हो, को काहू को नाही रहाओ सुख में आन। सुख में आन बहुत मिल बैठत, सुख में आन बहुत मिल बैठत, रहत चहूं दस की रह विपत परी। विपत परी सब ही संग छाड़त, विपत परी सब ही संग छाड़त, को ना आवत नेरै। घर की नार बहुत हित जास्यों, सदा रहत संग लागी। जब ही हंस तदी ये काया, जब ही हंस तदी ये काया, प्रेत प्रेत कर भागी। ये बिद को व्यवहार बन्यो है, ये बिद को व्यवहार बन्यो है, तास्यो निह लगायो। ये बिद को व्यवहार बन्यो है, तास्यो निह लगायो। अंत बार नानक बिन हरजी, को काम ना आयो। अंत बार नानक बिन हरजी, को काम ना आयो। That's all for the day. But keep subscribing, keep liking to Wisdom Tales by Kamal Sir. Thank you.